How do firefighters maintain pump pressure with multiple hose lines? Imagine fighting a fire with several hoses spraying water at once. Keeping the pressure steady across all those lines is a real challenge. So how do firefighters make sure each hose gets enough water without losing pressure? Let's break it down. First, the pump pressure is the force that pushes water through the hoses. It's measured in pounds per square inch. Nozzle pressure is what the firefighter at the nozzle needs to create the right water flow and spray pattern. Different nozzles need different pressures, usually between 50 and 100 pounds per square inch. Flow rate is how many gallons of water come out each minute. It's important because it tells us if enough water is reaching the fire. When using multiple hoses, firefighters have to balance the pressure. They do this by adjusting the discharge valves on the pump to control how much water flows through each line. They also use pressure relief valves to prevent pressure from getting too high. The intake manifold pulls water into the pump, and the discharge manifold sends it out to the hoses. Making sure the water flow into the pump matches what's coming out helps keep pressure steady. Pressure loss happens because of friction inside the hoses and fittings. Firefighters need to account for this when setting up their equipment. If the hoses are long or narrow, more pressure is lost. To manage this, they choose hoses with the right diameter. Larger hoses can handle higher flow rates but need less pressure to push water through. They also test the pump regularly to make sure it can deliver the right pressure and flow. During a fire, the pump operator controls the engine speed to keep the pressure consistent. Modern fire engines often have computerized systems that help maintain a steady pressure automatically. Communication is key. The pump operator tells the team how much flow and pressure are available. This way, firefighters can adjust their tactics, like changing nozzle settings or switching hoses. Properly managing pump pressure with multiple hose lines ensures each line delivers enough water, making firefighting safer and more effective. It's all about balancing the pressure, adjusting valves, and keeping the system in sync.